Hey pals, we are here at Disney's Art of Animation Resort and we did a spur of the moment trip. We literally booked it this morning and
At about 4:30 this morning.
yeah, 4:30 this morning, and the only thing available was Little Mermaid suite. So here we are. Right here we're chilling with Prince Eric, King Triton over there. Ursula's over here. They're painting her, giving her a little refresh. But we'll give you a room tour and a resort tour. So we are in room 7637. And it looks like we've got a skyliner view through the trees.
You can see Pop Century over there as well.
Yeah, you can see Pop Century over there. Let's get down to this corner real quick. And the little lake view. Can't really see a whole lot at this corner. But you can see the skyliner. So, as I said before, we did a spur of the moment trip, and this was what was available here at Art of Animation. We got the Little Mermaid suite, and the attention to detail here is insane. Clamshell beds with little seahorses looking at the light, Sebastian and Flounder over there, and these are 2 queen-size beds according to Disney. Here's our curtains with the seaweed and clamshells and stuff on it. And yeah, starfish over there, some bubbles, some cute little bubbles. Have that view of the skyliner right out here. And you've got your air controls over here. This cute mirror with all the fish looking at you. And this is awesome. It has the lyrics to Under the Sea on the table. It's just part of the table. There's not actually paper there, but it's awesome. Again, 2 clamshell seats. The Walt Disney World information screens playing on the TV. We've got a coffee maker with some Joffrey's coffee, some tea, half and half. Everything you need to make some coffee in the morning, an ice bucket. There is a fridge over in this set, and then 3 drawers here. And there's also a ton of space underneath both of the beds. I could literally lay under there. And you've got this little end table between the 2 beds with the phone. Over here you have Eric. I do not remember the dog's name, but you got the dog in there too on his ship. And these cute little hangers here. Little octopus holding on to your stuff. And sorry though, we've already brought in our luggage, but like I said, spur of the moment trip. We came in, took a little bit of a nap. This curtain, privacy curtain, is so cute. All sorts of different characters on it. And just push that out of the way. People can be sleeping out here on the beds, and somebody can be getting ready in the morning. Let's flip on this light. Excuse our mess again. We've got a safe, a ironing board, extra pillows and blankets, towels, hangers. Plenty of storage space underneath here too. And you got a hairdryer right there. The wonderful H2O soaps that will be leaving Disney soon. This awesome mirror right here. You've also got a makeup mirror that magnifies. Ooh. Plenty of towels, some tissues. And then, well, there's the light. You've got Ariel right here with all of her thingamajigs. And a full-length mirror here on the back of the door. Standard toilet paper. And let's see, I'm gonna open it from this way. All sorts of different trinkets. Sorry, the fan automatically turns on. It's a nice tub shower situation here. Little handrail if you need it. Great for families, bathing little kids. You've got your H2O soaps mounted in the wall, your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, everything you need. And then of course, the clothesline. Whoop. Let's try this. There you go. Clothesline to hang your swimsuits and stuff when they're wet. Let them dry out. I just can't get over these shower curtains. They're awesome. Like I said, the attention to detail in these rooms are insane. Like, look, there's a dang mermaid tail right here. Like, what in the world? But my favorite are the little seahorse guys are rocking their mohawks and checking out the lights. But overall, this is a pretty great room for a few nights if you've only got a couple of people. It is a little cramped if you've got 2 sets of like adult couples or something like that, but for the 3 of us, it's plenty of space. And you got the Skyliner right outside, easy access. Hey!
Hey!
And you've got the Skyliner right out here, easy access to Hollywood Studios and Epcot.